My teacher said, what do you think you're going to be? And you know what, I actually thought of it and I thought, I don't actually know what I'm good at. But there was one thing that I was actually very good at, and that was eating. That dish there, it's a dish I've had on the menu for a long time. Our zucchini flour, which is filled with the cacio e pepe filling, done with a Sicilian agrodolce dressing. Sort of sweet and sour, and it's just a perfect balance. They love the old school Casalinga style Italian food. What we do is we do traditional Italian food with a little bit of a twist. I'd never worked in a restaurant before. I actually loved it. I really enjoyed it. I loved the vibe. I thought, you know what, I can do this. 40 years later, I'm still here. There's been a lot of migration from Italy, obviously looking for a better life, looking for opportunity. You know how it is in life, things present themselves, the opportunity was there. We took it. I was actually home for about 2 or 3 years. I drove past one day, this property came up for sale. I thought, you know what a great location for a restaurant. From the outside, it looks quite small, it's 5.5 metres wide. I had to maximise the seating to make it all work, so we ended up with 3 levels, but it's really 2 levels of dining, a total of 90 seats. Grazia is a culmination of my 40 years of experience, all coming into one. Grazia is actually named after my grandmother, Grazia Molina, so that's sort of an ode to her. Coming from an Italian heritage, from the islands in Sicily, the Aeolian Islands, and we're surrounded by water. Seafood is in the DNA. This dish has sort of spanned back from the heritage. The pappardelle, it's the most popular dish on the menu. The lobsters come from Robe, South Australia. The prawns are Spencer's Gulf prawns. The pasta's homemade. We make all the biscuit ourselves. In the sort of business that we're running, in the environment we are, you get a table of 6 people ordering 6 different pasta dishes. They're all got to eat at the same time. You've got 6 different things going at once, and things require different heat. The equipment that we're using, the walled-off stovetop, is amazing because I'm able to adjust the flames and like I said before, most importantly, the consistency of the burner. That to me is the most important. I buy Moffat because of the reliability and the consistency of the equipment, and the people behind it are even better. We drop our pappardelle in, toss it with tomato Napoli sauce, some freshly roasted cherry tomatoes. We finish it off with a drizzle of oil and let the pasta suck all the juices. You're making me hungry. I'm getting hungry just talking about this. You know what I mean? The industry is not renowned for longevity, but touch wood at Grazia, I reckon 90% of the staff I employed on day one are still here.
Tonight we have 2 big groups. One is going to be in the Cortina, one is going to be in the wine room. They have 6 people. Usually we give them 2 hours and a half, so we still have to be, mindful with the time and everything, especially for dinner time.
Hey, we're going to get smashed tonight. Like, everyone's coming late. We've got a second sitting. I'm panicking, I tell you. We do about 1,700 covers a week as a minimum. We've got an open kitchen and they walk past me and they'll come to the front door and the waiter will greet them with a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it be. Fantastic. Did they enjoy it? Really? Oh, that's nice. That's right. Even the pizza guy, whose English is not fantastic because he's from Italy, people walking past, arrivederci, è leggero.
No,
I think it's all right. We're an old school sort of Italian Casalinga style restaurant. We cook old school on a flame. We cook a lot of steaks. How come this is here? This is not away, correct?
4-minute timer.
Customer orders, we do it fresh on the spot to order. It's been 35 minutes. All right, 56 is the calamari.
Oscar told them they want all of it together.
I think cooking, it comes from the heart. You can't wake up one morning and say, you know what, I want to be a chef. I think it's like a progressive thing. If you're building a team, you're building a team for now, but also for the future as well.
I've nearly worked with this guy for 10 years, so.
And he's only 18 years old. George Reeves is our pastry chef here at Grazia. He's worked with me for many years. He's a great guy and a very, very passionate pastry chef. He has an Australian background, but I've converted him. He's like Italian now. We do like a limoncello bombalasca here, semi-freddo, with a limoncello gel in the middle. There's a layer of sponge cake, and it's piped with Italian meringue, and then we torch it to give it to crisp it. Give it a little bit of colour.
Thank you for coming.
All right, bello. Table 5. Give the industry 100% because he will give it 100% in return. Now, you don't have to get everything perfectly right, but you've got to get it as right as you possibly can. We do things a la minute. Customer orders, we do it fresh on the spot to order. When you're doing a lot of numbers, the key to having a good service is the organisational aspect. And then obviously having the right team, the right staff members. Most importantly, the right equipment.